Hi everyone, Pete from Childwall Emporium here. On this video we're going to be making badges. So you're going to take, this is the badge you're going to be making. It's got a clip on the back. So you're going to need felt tip pens and then the badge pieces from your pack and a little bit of piece of paper as well. So you can start off by drawing out your pattern. You can draw whatever you want. So after you've finished doing that, you pop it in the plastic so you can see it. Put it on its front, and then you want to position that correctly so you can see it, and then you're going to press it down into it like that, and then you've got your clip on the back there and it's all together. The good thing about these is you can reuse it, so if you just pop it back off, it can be a little tricky. There you go. You could get a new piece of paper and then draw out some new patterns and you can change your badge around.